Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Adobe XD tutorial how to make a button. So to make a button you can create a rectangle like this. You also can set for the bend mode, you can click at this option. I will set for the value like into 500. We create the bends in this rectangle. Now you can change the color by clicking at these fields in the rectangle fields, and you can set like I will set into this color or dark. And the next for border you can uncheck if you don't want to use this border. If you want text, it will be create the border. You also can set for the inner shadow or drop shadow, and you can increase like in x-axis into 5, y-axis like into 5 again. Okay, now we create text. You can click this text tool and I will create in here. We'll set the names like into click here. Okay, you can edit the text objects. For size, you can click here. We'll set into 30 for font size. So more bigger. And then for the color, you can scroll down and you can set for fill. We'll set into white. We can move the text objects into center point of these objects. After it, you can select all, right click, and then we can group this object. So that's it for a basic Adobe XD tutorial how to make a button. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.